Hello my little kiddos, how are you all? Fine? Great job. And hope you all are washing your hands regularly, right? Very good babies. So today your Darshi ma'am from JoyJumperz Satellite is going to do an art and craft activity. Yes, we are doing paper folding activity. Through this activity we are going to make a paper fish like this. Do you like this? Yes? So let's make it with me, okay? So material is required for this activity. It's a square paper. If you have a color paper, so you can take this, and if you don't have any color paper, you can always color the paper like this. Okay? And a marker pen or a sketch pen, whatever it is. Right? So let's do the activity with me. Right? Let's start. First of all, babies, tell me which shape is this? Yes, it's a square shape. A square shape has 4 equal sides like this, right? So first, let's make a triangle from this square. Let me show you how we'll make it. We'll touch this corner to opposite corner like this, right? So now, which shape is this? It's a triangle. Yes, it's a triangle. A triangle has 3 equal sides, right? So, let's do the same triangle with the opposite side, like this. We'll touch to corner to the opposite corner. So, again it's a triangle, right? It has 3 equal sides. Let's open this and make a square again, right? Now, what we will do? We'll make a rectangle from this square. How we will do it? We'll make it half and touch to this corner to the opposite corners like this. So, babies, which shape is this? It's a rectangle. Yes, it's a rectangle. A rectangle has 2 equal sides. It's the opposite sides, right? Okay. So now next what we will do? We'll push it from one side and try to make a triangle like this. Got it? We'll do the same procedure from the another side. Let's push it and let's try to make a triangle. Wow! So again it's a triangle, but we have 2 triangles right now. Okay? So what we will do the next? We'll take one triangle and try to fold it like this to the center line. And let's do the same procedure from the another side. Done? Wow! Let's turn over the fish and let's make an eye. Okay? We'll do the circle, small circle, and we'll make an eye of the fish. So, babies, see, your colorful and attractive fish is ready, right? So, you will also do that at your home, right? Mamas, please help your kids to make the fish, right? This will improve their fine motor skill, memory skill, eye-hand coordination, focusing, and concentration is also there. So please share your experience to us. We would love to see that, right? So till that, bye babies. Stay home, stay safe, and stay connected. Love you. Bye-bye.